Hello everybody, welcome to Project One. I'm Isaac Gallegos. This is our light diminishing resistor circuit board project. So I drew a schematic. I'll explain the direction of current and voltage, but first go over the tools we need. First, number one, breadboard. Comes with our Arduino kit, one power cell, one circuit board, one power cell to circuit board cable. We got our LDR, our light diminishing resistor. We got an LED, light emitting device. We got our 1 kilo ohm resistor, and we got 4 jumper cables. I designated black for the ground, red for the hot. It's just something we do typically these days. And then I got some different colored ones for the direction of the LED and the LDR. So we're gonna try to assemble it, and then we'll go through a schematic and put some power. Hopefully it works. So let's start with our 1 kilo ohm resistor. So this is going to be coming off of our power coming from this source of this side of our breadboard. So we'll stick one in right here on the positive, and we'll put the other one right in the middle of the breadboard, one below. Getting in there nice and snug. I like these breadboards, they really help out. Next we'll go with the LED. I went with blue just because the first one I got my hands on. But we'll put part of our LED into the breadboard, and the other half we'll just ground it out. And when we ground things out, we basically dictate the direction of current. We will have all of our amperage flowing from high current to low current. So our high will be our positive, and then our low will be grounded out on this side. At least that's the plan. We'll see if it works. Then we got our light diminishing resistor. We'll take our long end, make sure we get it right on the breadboard here. Let's do right about there. And we'll ground it out, make sure it's snug. We'll make sure we did it right. If we didn't do it right, we might have mixed up our signs, but hopefully it's in there pretty snug. All right, so we got our breadboard set up. Now we need to make sure we got power to our circuit board, to our breadboard. But with that, we need to direct the current on the breadboard. So what I like to do is just set up here in the beginning. Do yellow for LED. Put that on the same row. Maybe not the same column, but same row. Then we'll set up the pathway to our LDR. Put that one on the same column and the same row. Come on. Get in there. All right. I think that's pretty snug in there. And then we'll take our power, red for power. So we'll put it right here in our 5 volt, right about there. And we'll take our ground right there in the ground. And from there, take power right about there. So with our power coming from our circuit board, one in the positive, and we're gonna ground it out all the way over here. Let's say right here in the middle. And that'll be our ground. All right, if we did it right, once we connect our power cell to our circuit board, we should be able to take away all light from our LDR, which would automatically make our LED light up. And once we add light, it would automatically turn off our LED. So this is the idea. We take our power from the power cell, go into the circuit board. From our circuit board, we would send power into the positive portion of our breadboard. The power would be distributed to our breadboard here, come up to our first resistor, which is 1 kilo ohm, and that would diminish the voltage, not diminish, but reduce or divide the voltage we're going to be sending to either our LDR or LED. So it would come up here, go through the resistor, come back down, and we got these right here in series. So if we cover up our LDR, our current will go over here and light up our LED. And as it flows from high current to low current, or from high to low, right here when it grounds out, because we have our circuit board grounded out as well, all voltage will be done. But if we add light, well, then we have no resistance, and then we could just go through here, which will not allow our light to come on if we have the light on, over here. So cover up our LDR, we get light. Take off the darkness of our LDR, we do not have light. That's the purpose. So if we set it up right, we should have done a successful experiment. We'll plug it in. We do have power. And I do not seem to get any light. Okay, I may have done something wrong in the setup. I think I may have my LDR backwards. I think I may have a long and a short backwards. So let's reverse that. And I will check all of my inputs to make sure they're in pretty snug. But hey, this is why we do experiments. This is where we learn. And I enjoy every step of it. So let's get that in there snug. Get that in there snug. Possibly that. Hopefully I didn't move those. Everything, resistance, breadboard, power. All right, let's give it another shot. Here we go. And nothing. Doggone it. Hope I didn't mess anything up. Okay. So I'll do some editing, see what I did wrong, but I'm gonna recheck everything. That was the overall process, and hopefully I can add a successful experiment. You know what? I might be short light. It might be the one ingredient missing. Hold on right there. And we get a light source. All right, let's try that. We got a light source. We cover up. Nothing. Doggone it. We got in series, ground. My light. Let's see here. There we go. Something's wrong. Okay, we got light. Cover the light. We got light. Cover up the light. And we got a successful one. Thank you, everybody. That concludes my experiment.